Are you looking? In recent years, the demand for robot mops has surged, especially among homeowners with hardwood floors seeking effortless cleaning. These intelligent devices offer an ideal solution by combining vacuuming and mopping functions, appealing to busy individuals who want spotless floors without manual labor. This guide evaluates top robot mops based on suction power, mopping efficiency, smart features. List Narwhal Frio Z10 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Narwhal Frio Z10 stands out with its tangle-free mop system and powerful 15,000 PA suction, designed to tackle dirt on hardwood floors efficiently. Its innovative dual-roller brush and automatic mop cleaning base ensure continuous performance without manual intervention. The Frio Z10 adapts seamlessly to hard-to-reach areas, such as corners and under furniture, making it an excellent choice for detailed cleaning. Equipped with smart navigation and app control, it offers customizable cleaning schedules and real-time monitoring. This robot mop is perfect for homeowners who want a premium, hands-off cleaning experience. List number: Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo 2-in-1 Robotic Vacuums Cleaner with Wi-Fi app. This 2-in-1 robotic vacuum and mop combo excels with its Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, allowing users to start, stop, or schedule cleanings remotely. The water tank ensures efficient mopping without leaving streaks, making it suitable for delicate hardwood floors. It combines moderate suction power with smart sensors to avoid obstacles and prevent falls. While it lacks ultra-high suction, its balance of vacuuming and mopping is ideal for everyday maintenance and light spills. This model is great for those who want smart home integration at an affordable price. List 3: Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping robot with schedule, app, Bluetooth, voice. 3,200 PA max suction. This robot mop offers a versatile cleaning experience with 3,200 PA max suction and multi-mode mopping. It supports scheduling through app, Bluetooth, and voice commands, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, providing flexible control options. The combination of vacuuming and mopping works well on hardwood floors, efficiently picking up dust and light debris. Its compact design allows access under furniture, while the intelligent navigation system optimizes cleaning paths. This model is perfect for tech-savvy users seeking convenience and moderate cleaning power. List number: Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2-in-1 with Wi-Fi app voice. Schedule. This 2-in-1 robotic vacuum and mop features Wi-Fi connectivity and voice command support for hands-free control. The scheduling function lets users customize cleaning routines suited for hardwood floors. Although suction power is moderate, its mopping function includes adjustable water flow, preventing damage to wood surfaces. Its quiet operation and efficient obstacle avoidance make it suitable for everyday cleaning without disruption. Ideal for those who want reliable, smart cleaning with simple app interaction. It balances performance and ease of use. List number: Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2-in-1 with Wi-Fi, app, voice, schedule, water tank, combining vacuuming and mopping in one device. This robot mop features Wi-Fi and app connectivity alongside voice control. The included water tank supports adjustable water release, perfect for hardwood floors requiring gentle care. It offers smart scheduling and real-time app updates, helping users maintain clean floors effortlessly. With moderate suction and effective mopping, it excels in maintaining a polished look without harsh scrubbing. This model suits those wanting smart tech integration with consistent hardwood floor cleaning results.